How to change currency on SafePal application. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Sometimes you just want to see your balance in your local currency instead of crypto values. So, if you want to change the currency on SafePal, first of all, launch open the SafePal application on your device and log in. Once you're inside, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top left corner from the home screen. From the settings menu, select Fiat Currency option and choose your fiat currency you want to change to for yourself. After making a selection, after just a tap, your balance will now show in your selected currency automatically. And that's it. Super simple, isn't it? That is how you can change your fiat currency on SafePal to feel more personalized and easier to understand at a glance. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.